Hello everyone. Today in this session for class 12 genetics, I am going to deal with the Mendel's deviations from the monohybrid cross, that is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is the phenomenon seen in the F1 hybrid where the plants like Mirabilis jalapa or snapdragon flower, where there is a cross between a red flower with the allele capital RR and the white flower with the allele small r, then the F1 progeny is obtained, which is not as it is in the Mendel's monohybrid cross. In the Mendel's monohybrid cross, according to the law of dominance, the F1 progeny is dominated by the dominant gene and the recessive gene is suppresses. But in the case of snapdragon or Mirabilis jalapa, in this case, when a red and white flower is crossed, the F1 progeny is obtained is all pink flower. And on self-pollination of this F1 progeny, the result was again not according to the monohybrid cross of Mendel's pea plant. Here, the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and the genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. It means that one pure red flower is obtained and two or half pink flower is obtained and one pure white flower is obtained. So, this is a case of incomplete dominance. Now, let us discuss the codominance factor. In the codominance factor, the multiple alleles which expresses themselves even when present together are called codominant allele. And the phenomenon is called codominance. Let's see the example of a human blood group ABO system. ABO blood group system are controlled by the gene I, and the three alleles which forms the four blood group of the human being are IA, IB and small I or IO. So, when IA and IB are produced, they produced a special antigen on the surface of the RBC where if antigen A is present, then the allele will be IA and the genotype of the offspring will be IA and the blood group will be A blood group and the antibody present in the plasma will be the antibody B. The blood group B contains the allele IB and the genotype of the offspring will be IB I or IB and the antigen on the surface of RBC will be B and the antibody will be A. But when IA and IB allele are present together, they will express equally and produce the surface antigen A and B, whereas the antibody will be absent, and hence it is the factor of codominance. Since we know that the human being are diploid organisms, and these three genes, they form four blood group in the human being. That is blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB. And when the neutral allele IO or small I is present, where the offspring's or the person's blood group will be the O, and the surface antigen on the RBC will be absent, but the antibody A and B will be present. So, theoretically, we can say that the blood group O is the universal donor, especially O negative, and the blood group AB is the universal recipient. Now the Mendel, they have showed the test cross to determine the genotype of the organisms. In this case, in the monohybrid cross, if the parents, suppose it is crossed with the tall plant, with the dwarf plant, the resultant progeny will be all tall plant. But to test cross it, if the resultant progeny will be crossed with the dwarf again, then the progeny obtained was 1:1. That is, the hybrid tall plant and the dwarf plant, pure dwarf plant homozygous, will be obtained. The Mendel's next law, the law of independence, he explained that in the law of independent assortment, he explained that the two factors, when two traits are taken together and when a cross is obtained, suppose a round yellow seeds crossed with the wrinkled green seeds, in first generation all the seeds obtained are round yellow. When self-pollination is done of the F1 progeny, 4 different gametes are formed, and these 4 different gametes, they independently assort and mix up to form the 2 new combinations in the ratio of 9:3:3:1. Here, in this case, the 9 ratio is obtained, that is the parental combination, round yellow, and 1 is obtained is also the parental combination, that is the homozygous recessive allele, wrinkled green. But the 3:3:2 ratio is the new combination obtained due to the independent assortment of the gametes occurs during the dihybrid cross of the Mendel, that is round and green and wrinkled yellow seeds are obtained from the parents round yellow and wrinkled green. So he explained that the gametes, they formed, they separates and they independently assort to form the new combinations. The genotypic ratio for the dihybrid cross is 1:2:2:2:4:1:1:2:1. So you have to remember the genotypic ratio as well as the phenotypic ratio also. So thank you for this session.